The Child and the Robbers. It is proverbial to say, "Truth always triumphs." Let's relate the story The Child and the Robbers to prove the truthfulness of this proverb. Once, the parents of Abdul Qadir Jilani decided to send him to Baghdad for learning. At the time of his departure, his mother gave him 40 golden coins. As she prepared supplies for his journey, she sewed these coins in his clothes. She advised him to always speak the truth. In those days, people used to travel in groups for their safety from robbers. So, with a caravan, he started his journey to Baghdad. On the way, when the caravan was passing through a desert, a gang of robbers attacked them and robbed all the passengers of their possessions. One of the robbers came to Abdul Qadir and asked what he owned. He replied that he owned 40 golden coins. The robber searched him thoroughly to find the coins, but nothing was found on him. He asked the child where the coins were, and Abdul Qadir said that they were sewn in his clothes. The robber was deeply impressed by this truth. He took Abdul Qadir to the leader of the gang and told him the whole story. The leader asked Abdul Qadir why he had not saved his money by telling a lie. Abdul Qadir said that his mother had advised him to speak the truth always. Therefore, he had acted upon his mother's advice. The reply of Abdul Qadir moved the leader to tears. The leader thought that the little absent boy had preferred the advice of his mother to the golden coins while he had disobeyed Allah for them. He decided to give up all bad practices and evil deeds. He repented of his sins. All the robbers followed their leader and returned the valuables to the passengers. Moral: truth always triumphs.